Thinking about selling your home this fall? Summer is the perfect time to get a head start. The more you prepare now, the smoother your sale will be come September. Start by decluttering. Go room by room and remove anything you don't use or love. And it's like pre-packing for your move and helps your home look more spacious. Next, tackle small repairs while the weather's on your side. Fix that cracked walkway, repaint the trim, or touch up the deck. Little things make a big difference. Boost your curb appeal with trimmed lawns, fresh flowers, and maybe even a pressure wash. First impressions matter. Now's also the time to reach out to a Declute realtor. We'll help you decide which updates are worth it, plan a strategy, and make sure you're fully prepared. And don't forget to gather documents like property tax bills, utility costs, and renovation permits. Future, you will thank you. Enjoy your summer, but with intention. Keep things tidy, highlight your home's best features, and relax knowing you're ahead of the game. Thinking of moving in 2025? Call us anytime at 416-686-9618. We're ready when you are.